Hello, all of you. CA Deepti Chheda here. So we are discussing the most important points to remember for bank reconciliation statement. This is a compulsory question which comes in foundation for 10 marks. And apart from this, sometimes in the true and false MCQ, somewhere definitely it is touched up. And it's a beautiful practical topic also. Anyone around you who is doing business, who is in offices, definitely BRS are prepared every weekly and monthly and year ending also, right? This is the bank statement, your account as reflecting in the bank. And this is your account in your books. If the balance is not matching or if it is matching, it has to be reconciled. Yes? So let us dive into this topic. Keep a notepad with you ready so that you can write all mind mapping points which I'm going to share it on the screen. I'm not teaching you BRS. BRS is a very beautiful topic, but after learning and listening to the concepts what I'm giving you now, you need to practice a lot. So regular class, it is going on for 8 classes, wherein one bit we start normal balance, overdraft balance, this, and different combination problems are there, right? But right now we are discussing the gist so that before the exam we can revise with the help of this video. Okay, let us start now. When I say bank reconciliation statement, it is for my business running account. My balance in my books is debit balance. Debit balance in my books means favorable, positive. Are you getting a command on the language? In my books, bank balance, closing balance is debit, positive, favorable. In bank account, my account is on the credit side, opposite. In my books, I'm saying I have 1 lakh rupees deposit in the bank. So bank is saying, Deepti ma'am, your balance is credit. We have to pay you 1 lakh. So exactly opposite. Do you understand this or not? So in my books, bank account is debit or favorable or positive. In bank books, my account is on the credit side. Yes, that's also favorable from their side, but it's like on the credit side. Now, when I'm depositing the money in the bank, they are crediting in my account. When I withdraw the money, they are debiting. They are debiting my account and giving me money. I am crediting. I hope you are getting. So it's always same. When I deposit, I debit. They credit. Already they have credit balance. More they credit. When I withdraw, I credit in my books. Okay. Bank's ledger, do you understand? They debit. So when we and bank are doing same transaction, then in my books, if the balance is 10,000 debit, the passbook, it should be 10,000 credit. Correct or not? In my book, 10,000 debit, passbook 10,000 credit. It should be same. Then why there is a need of reconciliation? Only 2 things are there. Ma'am, in BRS 8-10 adjustments come in the exam. Yeah, but everything is covered in 2 reasons. Why there's a difference in balance as per my books and balance as per the passbook. The one reason is timing difference. Timing. I'm explaining everything orally. Are you following or not? I'll go to the screen. I'll share. This is little tough way to pause karo 2 minutes. फिर से सुनो. But this is the best way to recollect in exam, especially for this chapter. I made separate videos for the concept of depreciation, for the concept of bad debt and provision, which is most confusing while solving final accounts, for the concept of subscription that you can watch with the help of playlist. But right now, to have a grip on BRS, lot of dialogue should go in our mind and 100% of question correct solve karoge. Dekho. One reason is timing difference. I have deposited the check today, that is 11th of January. The bank will, as soon as I deposited the check, bank account debit to Kanha. I have deposited the check received from Kanha. मैंने तो बैंक का balance बढ़ा दी. Bank will give me credit after 3 days because you all know clearing procedure takes normally minimum 2-3 days unless it is RTGS and all. Got it? So I have debited the bank today. The bank will credit the check deposited in my account after 3 days. So there's going to be a timing difference. So my balance will be inflated today. Bank balance over. So first, don't say, ma'am, just teach us how to solve the problem. Add क्या करना है, let's buttify. आप confuse हो जाओगे. This way is little longer but 100% foolproof. Anyone asking you to do the BRS, आप कर पाओगे practically in your internship right now. And ma'am, I'm not going to do BRS. I'm going to become a chartered accountant. Good. But people below you who are making BRS, at least if they show you the statement, you should be able to understand or not. तो करना तो है, पढ़ना तो है. Logical way में समझ के पढ़ो, and the magic should happen in the 3 hours of exam. No, when you understand the concept gripping problems, बहुत, the class starts, regular class starts with the introduction. The concepts, that concepts may not come in the final exam, I'm not worried. But these are the concept, the problem, the concept, the problem, which will give you a grip. Let first, second problem take 1.5 hours to solve one problem of BRS with so much of explanation so that you develop that analytical skill and dialogue in your mind and you do it correctly well. Once you do that, and then we start with the homeworks and doing along together in the class with the speed, and automatically that speed will come by third, fourth class. When you have understood the concept, obviously you'll do it fast. So one reason I said I have deposited the check today and you will credit me after 3 days. So till 3 days our balances will differ. I have issued the check. I have paid salary to Ghanshyam, one of my worker, and Ghanshyam has kept the check in his pocket. He didn't go to his bank and put it in the bank. I have issued the check to Ghanshyam. So I have credited my bank account and debited salary account. Salary to bank, check paid to Ghanshyam, finished. But when I saw the bank statement, in bank, no debit has gone. I have credited. Bank ne to debit kiya hi nahi because Ghanshyam has not deposited the check. Now I have to call up Ghanshyam, deposit the check and take the salary. Otherwise, this will keep coming in BRS for 3 months. After that, the check will become stale. So what is one reason of getting differences in the bank balances as per the statement and timing difference? Second reason is what? Errors. I may deposited a check of 5,000 and I have written bank account debit 500, but in my account 5,000 is credited. I have debited 500. So some errors in my book, some errors in the bank book. Deepti Chheda is there. They have another Deepti Shah. Some Deepti Shah's check they have put in my account by mistake. So mistake could be ours, mistake could be bank, but that's the reason. Khatam, BRS ka chapter khatam. Bye bye. Yes, what is happening? What is happening? Ma'am, so many adjustments are there in BRS, but your mindset should be super broad when you do this chapter. All the adjustment of the BRS, either, of course, I'll teach you what to do, add less and all. Either they are because of the timing error, timing, or they are because of the error. Now, coming to how to solve the problems then. So in exam, the first step for solving the problem is you are starting with which balance. Where you are standing is important. Balance as per our books, debit balance, are you starting there or are you starting with the passbook balance? Now you don't have a choice, ma'am. I will always start with our balance because it's easy and we understand it. No. Whatever balance is given, sometimes both balance are given and all. So you have to start accordingly. So let me share the screen with you all and you will understand. 1 second. Yeah, can you see the screen here? This is a regular class where we write all the booster notes and like if the bank balance is debit balance in our books, passbook, it will be credit balance, favorable balance. In our books, credit balance, we call it overdraft, unfavorable. In passbook, it will be debit balance. Take your time. If you feel, ma'am, it's a good point, pause the video, write it in your notebook. I always say while you're watching my video, pause and watch, take all the notes. In our book, bank book, debit balance means passbook credit balance. We call it favorable balance. In our book, credit balance, passbook, debit balance. We call it unfavorable, overdraft. Yes, and please remember whether in our books the bank balance is debit or in our books the bank balance is credit. मैम डेबिट की जगह अगर ओवरड्राफ्ट है तो ऐड का लेस हो जाएगा. नो प्लीज, नो बट्टिफाइड वे ऑफ डूइंग. Bank balance, if it is debit, it is positive. If it is credit, you show it as minus, but your add will be add and your less will be less. Why do we call it bank reconciliation statement? It's not a part of your books of accounts. It's neither subsidiary book nor ledger, dear students. It's on a separate piece of paper, separately you're sitting. Oh, my books, the balance is 10,000. Passbook, the balance is 8,000. Chalo, let me check where the difference is. And don't say, ma'am, the difference will be 2,000. The difference may be 5,000 and 3,000. Ek add, ek less, something. Are you getting? If through this video, I can just open up and take you out of the box and give you a broader view of BRS, it's justified. You know, it's a challenge to take up this topic for revision. Because in regular class only, it takes so much time. Chalo. So I hope this is clear. Now, as we go to the mind mapping, be careful who you are starting the balance with. Means, if I am starting with my book balance and I have debited 500, but in bank, I have actually deposited 5,000. Then shall I record 4,500 more in my book? Yes. What is my balance? Debit. But by mistake, I recorded only 500, my mistake. Now, if I add 4,500, what will happen to this balance? Increase. So do add. Don't write anything. Understand this. और इसको जब practice 2 दिन difficult लगेगा by 3rd class, you know, it's like the class is shouting in chorus, ma'am, this is add, ma'am, this is less. And तब वो मजा आएगा, magical मजा. Right? Now, one more case. I issued the check of 100 rupees. In my account, it is debited. I forgot to record it only. So record it now. My balance is which balance? Debit. I missed recording 100 rupees credit. If I credit, what will happen to this balance? Reduce. This is debit balance. 100 rupees. I have issued the check. Bank se paise bhi chale gaye. But I missed crediting. So now if I credit and this is balance, what will happen? Less. Got it? Is this clear to all of you? And some may be saying, ma'am, agar overdraft hai, to it's negative, no minus, and you do less. So minus will automatically become plus. I'm literally saying, close your eyes and remember this as a pointer. Whether it is a debit balance or it is an overdraft balance, it doesn't make a difference to add or less. And I'm telling you, आप practice करके देखो. In my regular class, one problem, same problem only we do by taking simple balance and overdraft, and they understand. जब things confusing है तो ऐसे रख के देखो. Are you clear till here? And if you like these kind of the videos and booster notes, download the Concept Classes app from the link below and just watch the videos are there in the free content. amazing conceptual way of teaching. I'm myself teaching CA Foundation. I have got 95 marks in CA Inter in the year 97. My journey as a CA is from 95 to 2000. Last 20 years, I've been teaching CA students, CA Foundation accounts, CA Inter accounts, taxation, and CA Final, I teach taxation. So these are my subjects. So from the link below, you can download Concept Classes app, and in the free study material, you can get the PDFs. This PDF is not yet uploaded. It will take time to upload the booster notes, but you have a lot of material, free content, and you can, I assure you, at a very reasonable rate, you will get the best of the coaching for sure. Okay, right? And with the other, if you feel my concepts are clear but कुछ confusing है या कुछ बहुत अच्छा लगा, so already the link is given. You can join our Telegram group. You can write a mail to us. After watching the video, if any confusion is there, comment below. We'll surely clear it. And if you feel you want more inputs, every video is not going to be so long as this. Bed debt and provision, 10 minutes are enough. And nice concept ke saath I will explain that concept. But if you like, then do hit the subscribe this channel, hit the notification so that whenever we come up with a new video, you will get an alert. Chalo. So, mind mapping, 4 booster steps for BRSs. If entry is recorded by us, we have recorded, but bank has not yet taken the action, reverse it. I deposited the check, but bank ne credit nahi kiya, so I will reverse it. I'm not changing anything in the books, dear students. This is on the paper. I deposited the check, I added it in the debit balance. A bank has not taken any action. So to tally my and bank balance, can I just credit it? This is a debit balance. Now I am crediting, so less. I would like to repeat. Pay attention. Till then, you can take these booster notes if you want. Yeah. Chalo. So 4 things I need to do. First is to clear where you are standing. Ma'am, we are in our book debit balance. Ma'am, we are in passbook credit. Whatever. Okay. Now, you have recorded the transaction, but bank has not recorded. I issued the check to Ghanshyam. I credited, but bank ne to debit nahi kiya na. I should debit. I issued the check, I credit. Bank has not taken the action, debit. Which is this balance? Debit. More debit. Kya karoge? Add. Entries recorded by the bank. You didn't record it. Record it now. Superb example. You know, when you get the passbook and when you see the bank account, so many times some dividend comes directly in your bank account. Dividend na आपके bank account में आ गया ECS के through, electronic clearing service. You didn't record it. When you saw the statement, you came to know. So now you record it. Bank account debit to dividend because bank has already credited. Because you gave standing instructions already from your bank, your electricity bill is paid, 5,000. So bank has debited your electricity. You also credit electricity account debit to bank and pay. So if you have not recorded, record it. If you have recorded and bank has not recorded, reverse it. These are not dialogues. These are the mind maps. If you understand, I'm telling you, mind blowing. Kuch bulb on hua ya nahi? If yes, put me a message in the comment. Come on. So, you know, this is the way one day before the exam, you cannot revise all my classwork problems and ICIs, all the problems. So if you write this and if you understand this mind map, in half an hour, you can complete the revision of all your 13, 15 chapters. And ma'am, 10 chapters hai. Haan, malum hai, units bhi to hai na. Bills of exchange and also many subunits are there. So it's very important to do revision like this one day before the exam. But for that, you have to study now only conceptually. Third point. Errors in our book, rectify it. I have issued the check to Ghanshyam, 100 rupees. but in my book I recorded 10 rupees. Is it an error? Yes. How do I rectify? Can I pass 90 rupees one more entry? Answer is yes. Did you get my point? Rectify the error. If I have not recorded, record it. If I have recorded 10 rupees instead of 100, record 90 more. If I have recorded 100, it's 0 extra, whereas I should have recorded 10, 90 debit. So rectify the error. Error in the passbook. Passbook has wrongly debited. It's not my mistake. Passbook has wrongly debited double by mistake. एक बार debit करना था, they debited twice. So you have credited correctly once. If passbook has wrongly debited, can you also credit on the piece of paper just to tally? Yes. Passbook has wrongly debited, you also credit. What's your balance? Debit. Now what you want to do? Credit. So what you should do? Less. हो गया BRS खत्म. फिर से एक बार 4-step answer. You in the comment you come up with whatever adjustment is there. Ma'am, we followed, but tell me answer of this adjustment, this I will tell you for sure. Mistake in your books, rectify. Mistake in bank books, reverse. You didn't record it, record. Bank didn't record it, reverse. So bank side mein though, if you are observing, look at the screen. What I am saying? पासबुक में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ तो भी आप ही रिवर्स whatever it is to be done we have to do because we are preparing BRS. You can't go and shout on bank आप ऐसे करो वैसे करो. No. BRS we want to see. Balance in my books is 10,000 and bank book is 8,000. We want to see. So in my books, if there is any mistake, I will rectify. If I have not recorded, I will record. In passbook, if there is any mistake, I will also reverse it. If they have recorded, I have not recorded, I will reverse it. I mean, I will record it. If they have debited, I have not credited, credit. Okay, एक बार फिर से पढ़ो. First, last time now. Carefully you read with me. Balances should be very clear, these 2 steps. And now, be careful you are starting the balance with. Which balance? Entries recorded by us, not recorded by the bank. Reverse it. Check issued, check deposited. Timing difference. Entries recorded by the bank, not recorded by us. Standing instructions. Recorded. You should record. Errors in our book, rectify it. Errors in passbook, reverse it. पासबुक ने गलती से डेबिट किया, आप भी रिवर्स कर दो, क्रेडिट कर दो, just to tally your balance, right? So this is how usually this is all theory notes, and just I want to show you some problems also. Some एक के साथ कुछ examples हैं. See, this is the way you have to prepare. Balance as per the cash book, add the check and less, and then you get the answer. Simple problems are there, but you should know how to do it. Okay. One more concept is there in this. That is, if they ask you, just recent exam, they have asked BRS with the adjusted cash book. So I think this much is enough for today. We will cover it up in the part 2 video for the most important points you should remember for BRS. But before you join me for the next video, make sure the mind mapping points, what I have made you write it with understand and add all the explanation you want to add now, so that in exam the pen should flow. And next video, I'll surely let you know that if they ask you to prepare the BRS with adjusted cash book. Ma'am, I do everything of the BRS, but adjusted I am chhod dunga. Mat chodo. That is easier than this. I will tell you that in the next video. So keep watching for this space for more conceptual videos like this. And my mission is to, make thousands of students understand and enjoy this conceptual way of learning. कहीं पे गैप हो गया है, कहीं पे हम बहुत शॉर्टकट जा रहे हैं. मैम ये फॉर्मेट है, ये बट्टीफाई किया और फिगर्स डाला तो आंसर आएगा, मार्क्स मिलेंगे, एंड दीज आर creative professional exams. If it twist a bit, and how you are going to perform in the field, whether you practice, whether you are in business or you are in corporate, you need to be smart in all the ways. So enjoy this knowledge at the base level, not with the aim of getting 200 marks, but yes ma'am, I understand BRS, I understand consignment, I know final accounts, I am ready for inter, I am ready for final, I want to get my degree. Yes. Thank you so much for watching this video till end. Wish you very all the best. Signing off now. See you, Deepti Chheda. Bye-bye.